Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the voice notifications language on your JBL Tune Flex. To do this, we have to open our application and select JBL Tune Flex earbuds, and then we have to scroll down until we find the voice prompts. Let's click on it once. First of all, you can simply turn it on or turn it off, and if you want to switch the language, just click on the language, and here we can pick one of these few languages. So for example, we can switch to the Portuguese, and right now it will take around 3 minutes to download and transfer the new language. So we have to click apply and then be patient until the download will be finished. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.